Learn how to make chocolate chia pudding. This chocolate chia pudding is a must-try recipe for anyone who loves chocolate. It brings together the decadence of chocolate with the health benefits of chia seeds for a quick energy boost that's both satisfying and nutritious. Ingredients: 1 cup coconut milk, a quarter cup chia seeds, a quarter cup cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons maple syrup, 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract. Instructions: 1. Add coconut milk, chia seeds, maple syrup, cocoa powder, and vanilla extract to a medium bowl or storage container. 2. Whisk vigorously to combine well, making sure to incorporate any cocoa powder sticking to the sides and bottom of the bowl. 3. Cover the chia pudding and refrigerate until thick and creamy. 4. Give it a good stir and divide it into individual servings. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel.